So I've switched out my presser foot and put on a zipper foot, and now I'm going to sew across from end to end using a 1/4 inch seam allowance to stitch my zipper in place. Making sure to back stitch at the beginning and the end. Iron and press around. Before we attach the second two pieces, we're going to attach our wristlet strap tab. So we're going to just place this about 1/2 inch down from the top edge and place this in place. Making sure only to stitch it on, open up your pieces, and you just want to stitch it to the exterior. Do not sew through to the lining. I'm just going to place it here and paste in place. The instructions will tell you all the pieces that you need, give you all the measurements for the strap tab, the ring size. This is a 1/2 inch ring, and the zipper size, and all of that. All the instructions will be there in the pattern. So now we're going to place this right side facing. From the center point, match it up with the edge of our zipper, and the other lining piece with a pocket. We can place this right side up facing the lining side. And we're going to sew through all the layers using a 1/4 inch seam. If you're receiving value from this tutorial, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great bag making tutorials. Also, if you have any questions, anything you would like to say, you can, any advice or anything of the sort, you can leave it in the description, in the comment section, sorry. Okay, so we have our pieces stitched together. Then you can pull away, press at the zipper, and then we're going to top stitch. Okay, one thing I did that is not a part of the pattern is instead of putting the seam allowance for this straight up and stitching on the top side of the pouch, you're supposed to turn it down like this. It's supposed to be down, and we're supposed to stitch. This top stitching here would have been on the vinyl side. I didn't want to stitch on the vinyl side, so I stitched in the top. Okay, here, so now we're going to top stitch. We're going to top stitch from here down and across here. Stitched, and now I'm going to, almost forgot, we need to close the darts. So just close your darts like this and just sew about a 1/4 inch in to close up all the dart legs. Now we're going to pull our lining pieces, place them right sides together, matching up our darts as best as we can, and turning the ends in different directions. I'm going to leave this area unsewn, and this is where we will turn our back out, right here. So I'm going to continue to pin the rest of the back. I'm starting on the lining side, so I'm going to use a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So we're going to move up a bit. Nice. Back stitch and continue. As we approach our exterior side, we're going to go to 3/8. going to go in and pull our back right sides out. You can press, but I'm just going to pin and sew across the edge. Let's add the strap. I'll show you in another video how to make the strap. It's a simple strap, a piece of fabric, overlay the piece of webbing, and I added a split ring, but you can use a lobster hook or whatever you have. I have lots of different wristlet straps, so I wasn't too pressed about making it. So I have a video showing you how to make this and other video showing you how to make with the lobster hook. There's my strap attached to my clematis pouch, and this project is. Thank you for watching.